how to make 10K just selling Mother's Day mugs. Yeah, you definitely want to keep on watching if you want to find out. Yes, y'all, get in here. Happy Monday, or happy the start of your week, whatever day you're watching this. Okay, y'all, I'm so happy to be back, to be filming with y'all and showing y'all new tips and ways on how to get this back, how to get this money. And let's start this week off right, y'all. Okay, and I know y'all see the title of this video. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make some serious bank for the holiday season. Mother's Day is coming up, you guys, and this is the best time to be selling novelty items or novelty kind of mugs or things like this around these type of times. Mother's Day is officially in a couple weeks, and I definitely want to put y'all up on game before the rush starts. Okay, y'all, this is the best time to be selling any type of novelty items, like I have said, like Mother's Day mugs, Mother's Day t-shirts. These are the best times that these things do really well, and that is perfect for us. Okay, y'all, this is the best way for us to make a little bit of extra side cash. If you are looking for a little quick come up, this is the best thing that you could possibly do for your bank account. Okay, y'all, so definitely keep on watching if you want to find out quick and easy free ways on how to sell these mugs or how to sell any novelty item. This is the best way that you guys can learn on how to make these items for free, y'all, for free apps that you can download on your phone. You're gonna make these novelty items and you're gonna post them on websites and get paid for it. And if you are new here, hi, hello, what is going on? My name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money advice, financial advice, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, y'all, I get you all the way right when it comes to anything money or anything lifestyle on this channel. So definitely subscribe if you are interested in things like this. Okay, y'all, I'm always posting and I'm always trying to find the latest and greatest and newest tips that I can give to you guys. So definitely be a subscriber, be a loyal subscriber. It pays to subscribe to this channel. I'm always commenting back. I also follow a lot of you guys on Instagram. If you are a loyal subscriber and you guys message me on Instagram, I definitely follow back. Okay, y'all, so definitely follow me on my socials. It will be linked in the screen and somewhere down in the description box as well too. Okay, y'all, so now that we got that out the way, let's get into the tips and the quick money come up that we're talking about today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get paid for like mugs and novelty items like t-shirts and things like this. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make novelty items, putting them on free websites and actually making some traffic and some bank off of this. So the first tip that I'm going to start with is you need to come up with a catchy design or slogan. So like I said, it's Mother's Day coming up right now, so you kind of have to think creative outside the box. You want your slogan to be a lot different than a lot of the slogans that are out there. So definitely do some keep market research on what mugs are selling right now and see if you can like spin flip the quote or the quotation or whatever. Like, see if you can come up with your own creative ideas on what you can put on your mug or your t-shirt. Like, if you know moms are usually busy on the go, so kind of think about like what a mom would like on her mug, like mom's happy juice. That's what I came up with for my slogan. Like, for like a coffee mug, you're gonna put mom's happy juice on there, or you can put mom's downtime, or like you have to come up with something pretty catchy to be able to want somebody to buy this mug or buy this t-shirt. Okay, y'all, so it has to stand out, it has to be different. You know, you can use like a more generic kind of like happy Mother's Day kind of thing, but you kind of want your mug to stand out and be different and kind of catch somebody's eye and make them say, ooh, like this is different, I haven't seen a mug like this, I want to buy this, you guys. And mugs and like I said, novelty items do really well on like any type of platform. Okay, y'all, like for some reason quotes and little funny mugs are always selling, people are always buying those. So this is a great business to get into, not just for the holiday season but for the long run as well too. You can really make some serious bank just selling novelty items if you can come up with really cool creative kind of slogans that can go on t-shirts and mugs. If you're that kind of person that can come up with creative ways to say things or like funny little acronyms or things like that, this is the best business to get into, you guys, because you can make some serious money. Okay, so that's tip number one, you guys. You need to start or sit down, brainstorm for 5-10 minutes, won't take you long, to come up with some like funny little Mother's Day quote, little Mother's Day slogans that you can put on your mugs and your t-shirts. That's going to be where you start at first. Okay, so once you come up with your first slogan or your little quotation or your little quote that you want to put on your mug, you're gonna then go to an app called WordSwag. Okay, y'all, so I will have it linked in the screen here, and I'm also gonna show you guys a video demonstration on how to actually apply this whole thing and do it. Okay, y'all, but you're gonna go to an app called WordSwag. WordSwag is where you're gonna input all of your information. Okay, so basically what WordSwag is an app that gives us templates, like, so it actually gives you mugs that you can actually see your design on. It basically brings everything to life, and you can actually see your design come to life on this app. Okay, because that's what I think is really cool. It's kind of interesting when you have your design on paper, but when you actually input it into apps like this, you can actually see how it would look on the mug, how it can actually be designed. They have different templates, so you can change it up and switch it up, change the color if you would like to, and kind of see how it will work on your mug. They have a bunch of different free templates on there. You can also buy additional fonts and things if you don't like the free templates that they offer. You can also buy additional different fonts that you would like to imprint on your mug to make it more fancy. If you want to up your game, you can definitely do that. But I'm just giving you guys the basic free option, okay, which does really well. You don't need, I'm just showing you guys that you don't really need a whole bunch of stuff to make your design sell. Once you have your design picked out, you're going to go over to WordSwag. You're going to create your designs, play with the templates, you guys, see what you like, what you don't like. Once you finally have a design that you already made, you're going to save it to your phone. You can do this on your phone. You can do this on your computer. Wherever you want to do it, you can do it. You can literally do it from the comfort of your phone. It literally takes 5 minutes. Once you have your design picked on WordPress, you're then going to go ahead and save it to your device, whatever your device you're using to create your design. So if that's your phone, if that's your computer, save your design or else you will lose it. Okay, make sure you save it to your device. And then you're going to go over to CafePress, and you're going to upload your design on CafePress. The reason why we're using CafePress is because this is going to be a completely hands-off business. Okay, y'all, so if you are a person that doesn't want to worry about you want to just create designs and you don't want to worry about production or creating the designs or worrying about who's ordering the designs or blah blah blah, then you will go to a hands-off website. Okay, so I have talked about CafePress before, CafePress.com. I've talked about them before in previous videos. I will link the video that I talked about CafePress above, so you can definitely check that out. Short, what CafePress is a website that you can create designs, create novelty items, and pretty much get paid for it. Okay, and you guys don't have anything to do with production, anything to do with posting the items or like reposting the items. Like, basically all you do is create your design on a third-party app or wherever you create your designs and upload it to CafePress, and then they handle the production from there. Okay, y'all, so you don't have to do anything about, like, if someone places the order and you're mailing out the items, you don't have anything to do with that. All you do is you put up your designs, you make sure you put in a very catchy bio, you make sure you put in the information that you need to make your items be found on this website. Once you do that, then it's pretty much up to CafePress to do the rest. They ship out the items to the person that have purchased your item. Okay, y'all, so super hands off, super easy. You don't have nothing to do with production. Okay, y'all, you just post and pretty much go and live your life. Okay, and enjoy your cash when it rolls in. So it's pretty easy. But what you have to do is when you are creating your CafePress, so when you post your item on CafePress, you have to make sure the bio that you're putting in has to do with the item that you're selling. Okay, so this is a Mother's Day mug, so you definitely want to make sure your bio has stuff to do with Mother's Day. It says Happy Mother's Day mug, Mother's Day. Like, make sure you're putting words that are easily found in the search. So when people are searching for Mother's Day, people are searching for Mother's Day mugs, these are things that you need to be putting in your bio so it's easy for people to find you. Okay, y'all, so I will show you guys exactly how to do it and how to set up your bio and things. But yes, it's very easy. You need to make sure you're using the words that relate to your item so it can get searched quicker. Okay, and that's not just for CafePress, that's just for anything. Just a quick business tip: if you are posting your items online or things like that, you need to be posting things that people are relatively searching for. You want to be putting Happy Mother's Day mug, Mother's Day mug, Mother's Day gifts, Mother's Day blah blah blah, things that people are quickly readily searching for. So as soon as they search that word or that phrase or that sentence that you typed, your item will pop up and it will be easy for you to get found. Your search has to relate to your item. It has to somehow correlate together. Okay, y'all? So very easy, quick business tip. So that's what we basically are gonna do, and it's pretty simple after that. Like, once your item is posted up on the website, all you have to do is sit there and just watch your earnings come in. Like, it may take a few days, may take a few hours, depending on where you're posting it at. And you can also, don't restrict yourself just to CafePress. You can also post items on like Etsy. The difference between Etsy and CafePress is Etsy, you will have to be controlling the production of who's producing the items and things like that. But with CafePress, it's completely hands off. Okay, y'all? So there's different platforms you can sell on, but just be aware of the differences of what you're doing, because it with Etsy, you do have to control production and you do have to create the item. But with CafePress, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, y'all? And I will link the video about CafePress that's more in depth. I will put that above, so definitely check that out. And I will also link it in the description bar as well too, so you guys can check that out as well too. I go into a little bit more detail on how to set up your CafePress account in that video, so definitely check that out as well too. Okay, y'all? So yes, I'm gonna stop my rambling. Okay, and I'm gonna take y'all to the video part of this, or the demonstration part of this video, so you guys can actually see how this is done on your phone. I'm gonna be using my phone for this, so definitely check that part out if you want to get more information on how to do this step by step. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Okay, y'all, so we are on the Word Swag app. So once you open up this app, this is exactly what you'll see. And once you open it up, you're just going to choose the tab that says Create. And once you choose the tab that says Create, you're going to be taken to this font page. Now, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of different fonts that you can play with. Like I was saying before, you can mix and match and choose whatever font works for you. And you can actually see, you guys, I made a mistake. I was trying to tap the screen, but it wasn't working, and it saved the option by accident. So as you guys can see, now I'm starting to customize my design. So once you choose the words that you want to pick for your mug or your t-shirt or whatever, you're going to go ahead and customize your design and put what you want to say. So like I said before, I picked the quote, "Mommy's happy juice." I don't know why I put that, but it's just something to put. So I just went ahead and started to create my design from there. And as you guys can see, I'll be playing and with my design and making sure it becomes perfect. And you can adjust the font how you would want to lay on your cup. So you can have it this way. You can change it in a bunch of different options. It's completely up to you. You can customize it however you want. But just know how when you customize it and save it, that's how it will look on your mug or t-shirt. So just be aware of this design. And you can also adjust the size too. And I would recommend going bigger, because as you guys are going to see further on, when I actually put the quote onto t-shirts and stuff, it's a little bit small, so I suggest sizing up. So once you're done, you're going to save your options and you're going to head over to cafepress.com. You should already have an account signed up. It's absolutely free to sign up for CafePress. You're going to create an account, you're going to sign in, and you're going to import your design onto CafePress. It's really simple to do. You just add your designs, you open the file browser, and you just upload all your designs on there. You can have multiple designs on here, and you guys can have multiple stores running if that's what you would like. If you have a bunch of different options that you want to start to sell, you can go ahead and upload these up onto CafePress. And as you guys can see, once you upload the design, you're just going to add the name of the design. So you're going to need to put the name of your design, the description, and you're going to need to add tags, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So as you guys can see here, I'm putting Mommy's Happy Juice mug, saving that as the name, and then I'm going to go ahead and add tags. And as you guys see, like I said before, you want your tags to match your design. So Mommy's mugs or Mother's Day mugs or Mother's Day gifts, like these are popular tags that people are going to be searching for around Mother's Day. So these are the tags you want to add to your design. So make sure you use as many as possible. I don't think there's a limit, but yeah, it says 150 characters. So just be aware of the limit. And that's a lot of tags you can add. So make sure you use them all up. So as you guys can see, I'm putting everything that has to do with Mother's Day, moms, and things like that. So you want to go ahead and think of any tag that has to do with moms, Mother's Day, and go ahead and add that to your design. You also want to add a description as well too. So in the description, just put like Happy Mother's Day gifts or Happy Mother's Day mugs, Happy Mother's Day mugs or cups or whatever. Just anything that relates to Mother's Day. Just make sure you just overkill with the Mother's Day and with the whatever holiday or novelty that you're selling. Just make sure you just put it in a bunch of times so the person knows that this has to do with Mother's Day. And what it would do, the system will recognize that this has to do with Mother's Day just because of the amount of times you have inputted that word. So it will pick it up and it will make sure you are found when people are searching for these items. So it's vitally important to just do that. And as you guys can see, I'm doing Mother's Day mugs and blah, blah, blah. So you want to make sure you're adding that word a bunch of different times. The more times you put it in, the more times you would get found. Okay, y'all? So just remember that. And like I said before, you guys, this literally took me 5 minutes. And as you guys can see, I'm literally doing it from the comfort of my phone. I was literally laying in bed doing this. So it's very easy and simple to do. Doesn't take much time at all. And so simple to understand. So once you have your designs inputted, you're going to see that it's going to show you all your designs in a little store. And I'm actually going to show you guys how the designs will actually look on your t-shirts and in an actual little novelty store. CafePress does a really good job of showing you how your designs will show up on t-shirts and mugs and stuff. So I think that it was really cool, and you actually get to see the scale size of how big your items are looking. So as you guys can see, these are my designs in my store, but I'm going to show you exactly how the design looks on cups and mugs and t-shirts. It has a really good way of showing you that. So as you guys can also see, this is where you would track your payments and your sales. As you guys can see, there's 0 sales from my store right now because I just made this. But as you guys can see, like, look at all the products that it comes with, and look at how it places the quote that we just made on t-shirts and mugs. Everything is set up for you in a little store. So I think that is really cool. And like I said, size up, because as you guys can see, my design came out really small. So just be aware of the sizing when you are creating your designs. Just go bigger the better, honestly, because it will be showing up really small when you look in your store. So just something to remember when you are creating your designs. And I'm just playing around with the little options here so you guys can see exactly what's going on. And yeah, pretty simple and pretty easy to understand, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.